Hi everyone, Chef Emily Ellen here. As chef and culinary educator, I'm often asked, what's your go-to cooking oil? Well, I found the answers on the tattered recipe cards of my family's recipe boxes. Whether frying, baking, sauteing, or mixing up dressing and dips, my culinary ancestors most often reached for soybean oil. They didn't know that it was heart healthy or versatile. They just knew their kitchen creations tasted terrific when they used it. So let me share one of our family favorites using one of our family go-to ingredients. Grandma Shirley's crispy pan-fried fish is what we all craved while growing up on Lake Erie, where family fish fries on Friday were like a weekly tradition. Now I can still remember her drill. Don't cut that fish too thick, don't dredge it in too much flour, and keep that pan and oil hot. The key to tasty frying is to use oil with a high smoke point that will allow for optimum cooking temperatures while maintaining a neutral flavor that allows the food's natural flavors to shine through. With its extremely high smoke point, as high as 450 degrees, soybean oil is great for high heat cooking. We called it vegetable oil, and you may have too. As America's #1 cooking oil, US grown soybean oil was likely a favorite in your family's recipe box. So consider that the next time you're stocking up your pantry and grab a bottle of soybean oil. For more recipes like this delicious one, and to learn about cooking with soy, visit my blog post, Cooking with Soy is a Joy.